All right, so starting here is, God, it's so nasty, y'all. Oh my Lord, have mercy. Oh Lord, have mercy. Okay, so we're just gonna try to work it out. I've turned the plumbing off, the main valve anyway. Baby is nasty, honey. You know, I'm sitting here and I'm thinking, since I got to replace the whole thing, that I should just take them off from the bottom half. It's disgusting under there. I'm probably like a little bit embarrassed to show y'all, but instead of taking it off from here, look how disgusting, because it's just not one to go. I'm gonna go underneath here. Why ain't let the plumber do it? Come on, man. Tough. I got this. Oh, shoot. Okay, and I'm gonna just take them off from here and just pull them up. Pray for me. Oh, I have something in my eye. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I'm gonna need some kind of shot after this. I got stuff all over my face. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, y'all. So as you can see, the mold and disgust is bountiful, but I have gathered myself. It is stinking up under here. I'm about to go in. So I know it's about to get all wet and rainy, but shit, it's already molded, so I don't give a dang on about it. Just forget it. Again, I've turned off the valve, so I'm just gonna head in right here. Try to turn them loose. Oh, I don't want to use this one. Bless it. Ooh. Let me just do this, and I just can't even do it right now. I'll be back, y'all.